Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Game Pass Core subscription and payment method. This avoids interruptions. Once logged into your Microsoft account, make sure billing details match and that you have any store credit visible. Now navigate to Subscriptions. This is where conversion options appear, because Core converts based on Microsoft's time covert rules. You're doing this to gain Cloud Play, ePlay, and PC titles, so proceed only when payment and account ownership are confirmed. Then choose Upgrade or Redeem to begin the conversion flow. Once you select Upgrade to Ultimate, follow on-screen prompts to convert existing months. This preserves remaining time via Microsoft's conversion algorithm. Make sure to add any promo codes or gift cards before finalizing. Codes can reduce the immediate charge. Review the prorated breakdown, total cost, and new renewal date so there are no surprises. If you're switching platforms, confirm device settings for cloud saves. After confirming payment, wait for the confirmation email and check the Xbox app for Ultimate Badge on your account. You finish by confirming Ultimate features across devices. Open the Xbox app, console, and account page to see perks active. If the upgrade doesn't appear within 15 minutes, sign out and sign back in to force a sync. This resolves most refresh issues. If billing failed or time wasn't converted correctly, collect the transaction ID and contact Microsoft support. They can trace purchases and correct conversions. Keep receipts and screenshots handy, because that speeds dispute resolution and gets your ultimate benefits restored quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.